You don't need more in your life. You need less. The majority aren't stuck by what they lack. Rather, they are stuck by what they refuse to let go. So listen carefully. 1. Need for approval. Stop seeking validation from everyone. It's eroding your genuine self. 2. Toxic people. Not everyone should access your energy. Some are hindering your progress. 3. Digital noise. Your attention is stolen daily. You may not even notice it. 4. Overthinking. Stop overthinking. You need action. 5. Comparison. Do not compare your life to others' edited illusions. 6. Excuses. Excuses don't sound lazy, but they're logical. 7. Old identity. Stay still living like the old version exists. 8. Negative self-talk. Your voice isn't truth. It just repeats. 9. Comfort zone. It may feel safe, but it hinders growth. 10. Avoidance of responsibility. Delaying action is another form of delay.